Hi, my name is Dan Zurcher. I'm an American striping. Striping has one P. Been striping streets and parking lots for 22 years. I've striped just about everything. I wrote this manual on how to do so. How I stripe a parking lot, 16 years by myself. Still sells well to this day. I think we're in 11 countries. We also manufacture stencils from our shop and ship daily. I think my stencils are the best in the world. I think they're the best price in the world. Take a look. If I can help you in any way, let me know. Today, I'm here to show you my glass bead dispenser. Over the years, I think I have solved the 5 problems that have plagued me. The first problem is convertibility. I wanted a glass bead dispenser that would go from a handheld application to a machine-mounted application in a very short period of time. I don't want to buy 2 glass bead dispensers, and jobs demand different things. If I have 4,000 feet of a stripe and 1 stop bar, I don't need this hanging on my machine all day long. So I wanted a handheld application and a machine-mounted application. Here's how it works. The D-clip slips off. My cable's removed. Reinstall through 3 slots. You're ready to go. This is where your trigger cable will be normally attached. You pull the trigger, this comes back, the glass bead dispenser works. I love it. It's that quick, it's that easy. Converts from a handheld application to a machine-mounted application. The second problem that I wanted to address was quick disconnect. It's not so much that there are no tools involved, it's back to what the job demands. Again, if I have a large parking lot striped and I only have a small portion of it that has glass beads in it, I don't necessarily want this hanging out there all day long. So I'll either do the glass beads first, take this off, do the rest later. It's just a matter of whatever your job demands. That's what I wanted. I wanted quick disconnect, and mine does. The next is adjustability. I wanted to be able to put this on once and be done with it. I don't want to have to fiddle with it. I don't want to have to make small adjustments throughout the day. This block is mounted one time and you're done forever, back on the job. This rear block, which holds the glass bead dispenser, can be mounted here, 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 here. Don't worry about any of that. Just put it on, torque it down once, and you're done. You're back on the job. I wanted a glass bead dispenser that was adjustable both forward and aft, wherever I wanted this, and up and down. If I need to spray a 6-inch wide line, my gun might need to be this high off the ground. I don't necessarily want the bead dispenser being this high off the ground. If wind is blowing or if I'm riding at 3.5 miles an hour, glass beads tend to come out and they get blown. I wanted to be able to drop this down. So on mine, you can. Drop it down to this height and you're ready to go. Notice this can move up and down, but your gun never moved. I can still produce my 6-inch wide line. This dispenses at a 6-inch wide line, but I've alleviated wind. Again, I wanted adjustability forward and aft just for ease of installation. I wanted adjustability up and down to alleviate wind. Mine has it. The last thing we addressed, the fourth thing we addressed, was dragging the ground. Even if you have this set at a normal position, up another inch or so, if you're driving off of a hoove and up to an apron, it's going to drag the ground. Because the main gate's in the back, by default, if it drags the ground, it'll open. Today's glass bead dispensers, my competitors' glass bead dispensers, have a hard fix. If this opens, it'll turn your gun on, and I don't want that. I want it to turn on when I want to turn it on. I want this to dispense when I want it to dispense. I don't want to drag the ground and have this turn my gun on and I don't even know it. So mine works like that. Again, your cable is going to be hooked up right here. And if you pull your trigger, this cable pulls this back, my actuator bar moves back. My glass bead dispenser works perfectly just like it's supposed to. However, if you inadvertently drag the ground and this gate opens, notice this is moving, it opens up, but it doesn't translate out to here, your gun is not actuated. That's what I wanted. I wanted it to work one way, not the other. That's mine. I call that my safety gate. That's the fourth problem. Dragging the ground is solved by my safety gate. The last problem I addressed was interchangeability. I wanted one glass bead dispenser for any machine that I bought. This glass bead dispenser will fit any machine you have. I had 2 different kinds of airlesses, 2 different manufacturers, or 2 different models, I don't care. My glass bead dispenser will fit your machine. Buy one and be completely done. Handheld, machine mounted, quick disconnect, adjustable forward and aft, up and down, and it'll fit your machine. That's my glass bead dispenser. Do me a favor. Go to my site, AmericanStriping.com, striping as 1P. Take a look at my video, take a look at my product. If you can use it, great, buy it. I'll ship it to you. Everything is manufactured in the US, welded together, aluminum welded together in Ohio, shipped to my shop where I assemble all the nuts and bolts, stainless steel. I'll do that. I ship it from my shop. The whole thing weighs 5 pounds. It's light. It's light. Do me a favor. Go to my site, AmericanStriping.com, striping as 1P. Subscribe. I'm not going to hit you up every day, but if you subscribe, I have 4 other ideas coming out. 2 are in prototype. I just want to keep in touch with you. Go to my Facebook page. Put one of those likes on there. Ask me a question. Look at a couple other videos that we'll post here not too long from now. Go to the forum, Paveman Pro. I'm the moderator in the line striping division. You have a question, we'll talk. I'll answer your questions. I'd love to help. My name is Dan Zurcher. I'm American Striping. It's my glass bead dispenser. Thanks.